Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Sebastian and we're today at the FOGO office. We've partnered up with M Grills. M Grills is a company out of Texas, Mesquite, Texas. And Travis McGee and his team over there, they're making these handmade grills right here in the US, right in Texas. And we partnered up with him to bring you guys some special custom editions, like FOGO editions of his grills. And so I'm going to do a little series on a couple of grills that we're going to do together with him. The C4, which is a portable grill, the M16, which is sort of like a steak and searing machine, and then the M1, which is the all-in-one, the smoker, the last grill you ever need. And today we have the C4, which is a stainless steel portable grill. It comes in this little box, weighs about 20-30 pounds. You can basically take this thing anywhere, take it to a tailgate, take it to the beach. This is really popular with steak competitions. So let me get right into it. Let's do the unboxing and let's talk about some of the features of this grill. The C4 portable grill is the perfect grill for camping, tailgating, hunting, taking to the beach, off-roading or competition grilling. As you unbox your C4, you will find two legs, the 16-gauge stainless steel body, the handle, the insulation sleeve firebox, two damper covers, the over and under, 3 grill grates, 4 grate tabs, 2 grate removing tools, and the nuts and bolts to keep it all together. Let's start by attaching the dual intake dampers on both the front and the back side of the grill. These allow more control of your airflow and even grate temperatures. The airflow runs completely underneath the charcoal grate and is easy to control with its dual stainless steel damper covers. Simply insert the screws with the little springs and tighten. Next, I'm going to install the legs and the grate tabs. Put the C4 on its side and align the legs. Then insert a screw and from the inside of the grill attach the grate tab, a washer and the nut. Repeat that for all 4 grate tabs. Once you are done installing the grate tabs, you can insert the charcoal grates. All grates are made from a 1/4 inch thick stainless steel and should last a lifetime. On top of the charcoal grate, insert the firebox. It's made from 16-gauge 304 stainless steel and it insulates your C4 and protects the exterior. It also makes your C4 more fuel efficient. With just a thin layer of FOGO charcoal, you'll be able to reach temperatures exceeding 600 degrees in just a few minutes. On top of the firebox, install the grill grate. To assemble the handle, close the lid, align the handle with 2 holes on top, insert the screws, and then tighten with a washer and nut. The C4 also brings the grill grate remover tool. These make it easy to remove the hot grates, and they can be used to prop open the lid of the C4. Simply prop them up against the leg and insert the top into the handlebar. The over-under can either be placed directly on the grill grate of the C4 or used in the back of the lid as a grill grate extension and indirect cooking surface. To move or store your C4, simply put it all back together. Everything can be conveniently stored within it. First, disassemble everything. Then insert all the grill grates into the bottom of the C4. Then turn over the over-under and put it on top of the grill grates. Put the charcoal sleeve on top of the over-under, and lastly, put the grill grate removal tools on top of the charcoal sleeve.